Imagine a world where no sales opportunity is ever missed, even after hours. With Zakool, your real estate sales process becomes smarter, faster, and always on. In just 5 simple steps, Zakool becomes your ultimate sales partner. Let's explore how this innovative tool can transform your approach to real estate. Step 1. Effortlessly upload your brochures, price lists, or floor plans. Zakool supports all formats, making the process seamless. Step 2. Watch as Zakool extracts every crucial detail from your documents. Prices, sizes, and more are instantly available.
Step 3. Experience instant AI training with no coding required. Zakool uses advanced LLMs to transform your documents into a smart sales assistant.
Step 4. Communicate with your AI in multiple languages. Whether it's English, Arabic, or Russian, Zakool responds naturally and accurately. Step 5. Go live on your website and capture leads 24/7. Your AI is now ready to engage with potential buyers around the clock. Zakool solves common sales challenges, missed leads, language barriers, and unread brochures. With Zakool, your AI is always ready to assist, ensuring no sales opportunity slips through the cracks. By training your AI in 5 steps, you'll sell smarter and more efficiently. Zakool is ready to transform your sales strategy. Are you? Try Zakool AI now and never miss a sales opportunity again. Train once, sell forever.